3753 Penedos. I'm seeing a little bit of the weed barrier coming up here. It looks like there's a lot of rock though, so I'm not sure. We need to get a professional out to give their opinion on what needs to be done. But we might be able to just move the rocks around. It looks like there's a good amount. No wood frame on the garage that needs to be maintained, so that's good. Some dents and damage to the front door. We'll get the property manager's opinion on how much that matters. So we have so many blinds going on here. We need 2.5-inch faux blinds here. I don't think we need any on the picture windows. Usually we don't put any. I think they did, probably because of the heat. I think there's going to be a lot of heat coming in from there, and if there's no blind up there, that's a good amount of window surface area. So we'll get the property manager's opinion, but either way, those top blinds, the verticals and the vinyls, have to go. That looks a little old, so probably replace that. Of course, that's a very small, minor thing. Carpets may be able to stay for a while. Replace all of these blinds. Of course, we need a fridge. We need to recaulk this. Get a gooseneck. Because we have the new countertops, the sink might just stay for now. Dishwasher's pretty old. So we'll see what the recommendation is about keeping the stove or not. So the wiring for the electrical in here, it has been built into this closet. I'm not sure if that's safe or not. We'll rekey this door as well. The walls have a little bit more of a yellowish peach to them than what we normally do. Also don't know if we want to remove these built-ins or not. They're not very modern or cute, but then it would mean more touch-up. So these blinds have to go as well, and I would think that we'd want to replace them because there's a bathroom right there and it's used by these bedrooms. So probably replace at least this, maybe remove the tint on the top arch, get some closet guides. This is a non-locking door handle, which is good. This one is a locking, but does match the color of the other one. But this one can be easily opened with a coin. These blinds will be replaced as well, and we need a closet guide in here. We need a shower rod in here. Maybe clean up or do that caulking at the bottom again. Cabinets are showing a bit of wear. You know, it's the age of the house. Not that it's an old house, but you know, it's lived in, so nothing unusual. Thermostats. I think this room could use a new ceiling fan because it really stands out and it's obviously dated, and it's only about $150 or so to get a new ceiling fan. And I think it would make all of the difference. The flooring in here is not very attractive. This laminate, I don't recall seeing that anywhere else in the house. So this is such a small area. I think we need to consider asking the property manager if we need to remove this tile, put new tile down that's modern, and it's a small area. It's just about $5 a square foot for the tile, and then an additional $1 or so per square foot for the hardy backer or something similar, since we're on the second floor here. So this is a small area. We're not talking about a large expense, but it could make quite a difference. We also don't have doors here, so they put a shower rod. So we may need to put some doors back up, or take this piece off, recaulk. Oh, sorry. I think that's it. Oh, we need closet guides here as well.